Let us imagine that we have a laboratory. In this laboratory, there is a special device capable of teleporting objects and moving them backward in time, that is, into the past. This movement occurs instantly at the moment a single button is pressed, send. Inside the laboratory, in a special chamber, there is a living biological object, an ordinary fruit fly. The experimenter decides to send this fly into the past, for example, 10 seconds back. For the sake of clarity in this thought experiment, let us imagine time as an arrow, the classical model in which time moves from the past to the future along a straight line. This simplification will help us clearly define the conditions of the experiment, although in reality the nature of time is far more complex. On the time arrow, we take a reference point. Let's call it T0. The zero moment, which is the starting point of the experiment. The fly located at this point is given the symbolic designation V. The next point on the time segment is T0 plus 10 seconds. This is the moment in time when the experimenter decides to send the fly back into the past, to the zero moment, T0. The fly that is sent into the past is given the designation V1. V1 is an object that is, in fact, never seen by the observer, because it is what teleports from the future into the past, or into the present if we speak from the observer's position at the moment T0. Sending an object back in time can have several possible scenarios, depending on where exactly it returns and how. Let's examine each scenario. So, the first scenario. Starting from point T0, the fly moves along the time arrow into the future. At the moment T0 plus 10, the experimenter presses the send button, and the fly is sent back into the past, to moment T0, that is 10 seconds earlier.